Dash Squad. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the Dash Squad. If you are returning, thank you guys so much. I am Armani. I have another hair review for you guys. Before we get started, can you please make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we have a hair review for you guys from Recool Hair. So let's see what they have. They sent over a goodie bag for us, so let's see what we have. So we have a comb, which is always needed. We have a wig cap. I already have mine on. Some lashes. Your girl loves lashes, so definitely need these. We have a bonnet. We have, it looks like a headband. Some hair clips. And our magic baby hair tool. So Recool Hair sent us over a bob wig. So I'm excited. It is 14 inches. It is a water wave bob wig and it's 180% density. It's a 13x4, so I'm excited. So here is their social media, which will also be linked in the description. So again, this is a 14-inch 13x4 unit and it is a water wave wig. Unit. So we have our main clips, and again, this is a 13x4. So get into this. What I love about this unit already is these waves. You see them? And it's pre-plucked, so I don't have to worry about plucking. So let's put our makeup on in the inside and get right into it.
got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire.
Before yeah. If I were gone, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, Young Money raised me. Grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we linked up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were gone, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
Thank you guys so much. If you stuck it out this far, I really appreciate you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would rate this hair a 10 out of 10. The length was perfect. I only decided to cut the hair to give it an asymmetrical kind of look. I did not use any water, only foam and spray to define the curls. As you guys can see, I did not have to bleach this hair. I pulled it right out of the packaging and I put it on my head. I did use a little bit of concealer to define the part, but other than that, I would definitely recommend this hair to someone who wants a wet, wavy look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dash Squad.
To my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this